Hey there, art lovers and curious minds. Remember when making art meant brushes, paint, and maybe a very messy room? Things are changing faster than a chameleon in a rainbow factory. Say hello to AI art generators, the new kids on the block, and they're already shaking things up. One of the biggest names in the game is Stability AI. They've created some seriously impressive tools that are turning the art world upside down. In a good way, mostly. Imagine typing in a few words like castle made of starlight and bam! Your screen explodes with stunning images that look like they were plucked from your wildest dreams. That's the magic of Stability AI. It's like having a million artists living inside your computer, all waiting for your command to create something amazing. But hold on, is this the dawn of a new artistic era, or are we heading towards a future where robots steal all the creative fun? Let's dive in and find out. So, how is Stability AI changing the game? Think of it like this. They're giving us regular folks superpowers. You don't need to be Picasso or Michelangelo to create something beautiful and unique. Just let your imagination run wild, type in your ideas, and watch the AI work its magic. It's like having a conversation with your computer, but instead of words, you're speaking the language of art. Want to see a portrait in the style of Van Gogh? No problem. How about a surreal landscape that blends reality with fantasy? Easy peasy. Stability AI is breaking down barriers and giving everyone a chance to express themselves in ways they never thought possible. But this isn't just about making pretty pictures. Stability AI's tools are being used by everyone from architects designing futuristic buildings to filmmakers creating mind-bending special effects. It's a whole new world of creative possibilities. Okay, time for some show and tell. Stability AI has been making waves with its mind-blowing creations. One of their most popular tools, Dream Studio, lets you generate images from text prompts with incredible detail and style. People are using it to create everything from whimsical children's book illustrations to dark and moody concept art for video games. But here's the really cool part. Some artists are using Stability AI as a creative partner. Imagine collaborating with an AI to brainstorm ideas, experiment with different styles, and push the boundaries of what's possible in art. It's like having a superpowered assistant who can bring your wildest artistic visions to life. Now let's not get ahead of ourselves. While Stability AI is undeniably awesome, it also raises some important questions. Some artists worry that AI will replace human creativity altogether. Others see it as a tool, just like a paintbrush or a chisel, that can enhance and expand their artistic abilities. It's a brave new world out there, and we're still figuring things out. There are concerns about copyright, ownership, and the ethical implications of AI-generated art. But one thing's for sure, the future of art is going to be a wild ride.